This is Xander Wanders, and I'm going on my first kayaking trip.
And we're at Basildon Rivers.
But it's in front of your face.
Does it usually take this many?
Yes, it does.
And this is Macey and Esme, and they're going to show me how to do it. I'm on holiday with Macey and Esme, and their dad, Dave, aka the Sarge, has kindly offered to help me learn how to kayak. To this.
Okay, one green banana coming right up.
Doesn't that mean they're young and fresh?
What are you doing?
Strapping the kayak seat. This is the second seat.
And this is the 3-seater kayak. And we're going to blow it up now.
This goes in the middle.
This is very easy.
This goes at the back. There you go.
And now it's time to get them in the water.
And in it goes.
Guys, it's steady, bro.
Set the seat.
Yeah?
You good?
Set the seat. No, set the seat. Set the seat.
Yeah. Brilliant.
Got our oars and we're ready to go.
Ready to go. Right. Left. Right. Left. Right. By the way, you might get a bit wet.
You just take pictures. You don't take them if you want.
I have anxiety right now. I'm gonna.
It'll be
Not.
Sorry, it feels a bit wobbly, but it's okay. It won't go over.
It's Swan Lake.
This is Xander Wanders in Handball River. And let's grab them.
No, don't do that.
Extra fast. Next up, the English Channel.
How's the English Channel?
You want to go back? The rest?
It's English.
Look at that countryside in the background.
What an awesome view this is.
awesome view. Get it? Do you guys get the joke?
I had a fabulous time. In the beginning, I got a little scared, but then I got the hang of it. This was an awesome experience at Handball River. I'll definitely be doing this again. Thanks, Dave. Thanks to Macey and Esme for showing me the ropes. And thank you, Dave and Lorena, for being such great hosts.
Left. Right. Left. Right. Left. Right. Right hard. Don't crash. Too many drinks.